Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing in brief about migraine. What is this migraine and what is the treatment of this migraine? What are the drugs used in migraine? Migraine. This migraine is a type of headache. Usually it is called as one-sided headache. It can present with headache, nausea and sensitivity to light and sound. It can cause throbbing in any area of the head. Usually migraine can be triggered by stress, exercise, it can be triggered by hormonal changes, it can be triggered by loud sounds and it can even be triggered by strong smell like perfume smell or paint thinner smell. Let us discuss about the treatment of migraine. What are the drugs used in migraine? For simple headache, we can give paracetamol, NSAID, and if patient is having vomiting, we can give antiemetic. This is for simple headache. For simple headache, we can prescribe paracetamol. What are the drugs used in acute migraine? Acute migraine is due to cranial vasodilatation, so we should give vasoconstrictors. What are the drugs used? One is ergot alkaloids, that is ergotamine. We can give 5-HT1 BOD agonist. 5-HT1 BOD agonist are the drug of choice for acute migraine. What are the examples? Sumatriptan, rizatriptan, almotriptan, frovatriptan, and zolmitriptan. These are the 5-HT1 BOD agonists. These are the drug of choice in acute migraine. And we should be very careful while prescribing these drugs in hypertensive and ischemic heart diseases patients. And chronic use of ergots causes peripheral vasoconstriction, which can cause gangrene of the foot, which is called ergotism. So chronic use of ergots causes ergotism. What is the prophylaxis of chronic migraine? Prophylaxis for chronic migraine. We can give propranolol, which is the most commonly used drug for chronic migraine. Propranolol. We can give calcium channel blocker. For prophylaxis, we can give calcium channel blocker, that is flunarizine, which has also sodium channel blocking action and it is also antioxidant. Flunarizine. And we can prescribe anti-epileptics. Valproate, gabapentin, topiramate. Next one is we can give tricyclic antidepressants, that is amitriptyline. And we can give alpha-2 agonist, that is clonidine. And we can give toxin like onabotulinum toxin. Next one is we can prescribe 5-HT2 blockers. 5-HT2 blockers. Examples for 5-HT2 blockers are pizotifen, cyproheptadine, and methisergide. This cyproheptadine it is an antihistamine and anticholinergic and antiserotonergic. This cyproheptadine has antihistaminic action and anticholinergic action and antiserotonergic action. So there are other uses of cyproheptadine, that is we can give in prophylaxis of migraine. It can be used as appetizer and it can be used in treatment of serotonin syndrome. This methisergide, it causes retroorbital or retroperitoneal fibrosis. What are the side effects? It causes retroorbital or retroperitoneal fibrosis. That's why it's not used most commonly. What are the newer drugs used for migraine? Newer drugs used for migraine. We can give CGRP antagonist. What is this CGRP? CGRP means calcitonin gene related peptide. Calcitonin gene related peptide antagonist. We can give these drugs. What are the example for this CGRP antagonist? We can give olzapant and telcapant. These are hepatotoxic. So in this session we have discussed in brief about migraine. What is migraine and what are the drugs used in migraine and what are the drugs used in prophylaxis of migraine. If you like this video, please click like button and share this video to your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.